We lucked out and got one more of these from HEB. Seems this year's style is slightly different. It has louvers instead of the window panes. So we bought it, and I painted it black yesterday so it matches what's on the front of the cat shed, or the side of the cat shed. So we have two here on the cat shed with one light above them, and one there on the new barn with one light above it. Today we are going to be finishing up the barn. We went and got siding on Monday. So we'll finish up this front portion and then fill in the back. And we knew we were going to have to do this when I figured out how it was all going to go on there. We got 12-foot siding boards, and we need to put in a couple more verticals back there. So that's what we're going to work on and then start on the siding. This one and that one up, we can start putting siding up. So I'm going to put you on super speed. We got the back wall done. Look how pretty it is.
Yep.
It's very pretty.
It's very back wall.
Fresh cedar always looks so good.
Yep.
I told Lance it needs a big decal right there that says Nights Home Farms.
Yeah, that'd be pretty cool.
That would be awesome. Or maybe here in the center, since that side's going to be fully enclosed.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I'm just gonna do these two.
Yeah. 3.
2 pieces?
Three.
Yeah, maybe 2.5.
2.5.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll move the camera.
And this thing will be completely done.
Put it up.
Yep.
Cut off the bad end.
That ends.
Make sure it's all there. Are you good?
Okay.
Hold it here. And I'll get the pencil. And the triangle, I guess. Triangle. I know it's a square, but it's shaped like a triangle. So. That's what I call it. A triangle. All right.
Hold it there for a moment. Let me get the other thing out of here.
Okay.
Or out here.
Out
Not
here.
out of here, but out here.
Out of here.
Get it out here.
And I have another light. I need to go get the other light. We can put the other light on here.
Sure.
That'll be cute.
Yeah, that'll be cute.
Cute. Why for the back? Oh, because it's for cutting, not painting.
Yeah.
Gotcha.
For cutterizing, not
Okay.
standardizing.
I think I need to move the camera then,
Camerizing.
because the cutterizing is happening below camera level. There we go. Now you'll be able to see the cutterizing, not the standardizing.
Yep.
Good?
Good.
Good?
Good. Hold it.
I'm holding it. It ain't going nowhere. Fly.
Just like wood. See if it's straight or not. Nope.
Well, the upward thing is straight, but the bonnet is crooked. So,
Right?
yeah, that's better. That's fine. The whole light itself is not straight. You know what I mean? The 2x4. just open them, we slide this 12-foot siding in there. And it is for this area. So 8 feet from here to there. Cedar, and then 20 feet from here to there. So this would be like an 8 by 20 garage.
It worked.
So I'm gonna put you here, I guess.
Super speed.
Yeah, I'll probably turn it on super speed. Look how cute this is. This turned out really good. Now we've got all that stuff out of there. We just gotta move those rocks. And we have a barn. Very good.